Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of fractions, specifically focusing on how to convert the fraction 2/5 to a decimal. Converting fractions to decimals is a fundamental math skill that can be surprisingly handy in everyday life. To convert a fraction 2/5 to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. In this case, we want to convert 2/5 to a decimal. So, we simply divide 2 by 5. The answer is 0.4. To do this by hand, we start with long division. We write 2 as the dividend and 5 as the divisor. Initially, 5 doesn't fit into 2, so we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 2, making it 20. Now, how many times does 5 go into 20? Exactly 4 times. So, we write 4 after the decimal point in the quotient. Multiplying 5 by 4 gives us 20. When we subtract 20 from 20, we get 0, which means there is no remainder. So, there we have it. The fraction 2/5 converted to a decimal is 0.4. It's that simple. Whenever you have 2/5 of something, you're essentially dealing with 0.4 of it in decimal form. Converting fractions like this can be incredibly useful in various situations, from adjusting recipes in the kitchen to managing finances, or even when you're just trying to make sense of some statistics. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. For more math tips and conversion guides, don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.